Welcome to the Library Services webpage. In this video, you will be introduced to the basic features of the library website and shown how to conduct a search in Primo, the library catalog. Let's start by taking a look at the library's homepage, which can be found at library.gntc.edu. At the center of the page, you will see a box labeled Need Help. This feature allows you to chat directly with the librarian during the hours of 7:30 to 4:30, Monday through Thursday. Simply click the blue box labeled Click Here to chat with a librarian to open a dialog box that will allow you to message a librarian and initiate a real-time chat. You can also text, call, or send an email using the information provided. On either side of the chat box, you'll see scrolls that are updated monthly and feature both popular and curriculum-based books held by the library in either online or physical format. You can click on the title of a book to see its record and place a hold. The library homepage also features a word of the day, any relevant library news, and a link to that month's featured research guide. Above the chat box, you'll see a link to all of our research guides. These cover various courses and programs taught at GNTC, as well as topics relevant to students, such as career development, veteran services, and study skills. The guides are organized alphabetically and can also be limited by guide type and topic. Within each research guide, you'll find links to websites, ebooks, print books, library databases, and streaming videos and DVDs that apply to that course, program, or topic. Click any link to be taken to the resource or resource record where you can place a hold or access the item directly. Next to the link to research guides, you'll find the link for databases A to Z. This page provides you with an alphabetized list of databases available through the library, from streaming videos in Canopy to program-specific databases like Science Online and college and career preparation in PrepStep for community colleges. Finally, at the top of the homepage, you can find a drop-down list containing each library's location and hours. Choose the campus you want to visit to see the hours of operation and the building location for that library. Now let's look at conducting a search in Primo. Primo is an online catalog that provides one-stop searching. This is where you will find locally held materials at our 6 campus libraries. In addition, you will find access to electronic books, full-text articles from scholarly journals, magazines, and newspapers, streaming videos, and more. From the main library page, you can type your keywords into the search bar. This will take you directly into your results page. This is how your results page will look. Let's look at how we can refine these results. We'll start with availability. Some of the results will have only a citation. This means that you can see all the bibliographic information, but you do not have the full text of the article. Clicking on Full Text Online will ensure that all of your results will have the full text, no matter the format. Notice we have a mixture of books and articles. The filters do not remain for new searches unless you click Remember All Filters. Notice that you now see a lock beside your filter. To remove the filter, simply click on the X. Another way to limit by availability is Held by Library. Click here to see only physical materials held at the GNTC libraries. Notice that you will now see which campus owns the book. Now is a good time to remind you that materials can be easily sent from one campus to another. You do not have to drive to the location that owns the book, and you can return the book to any location. Once in the library, the call number, the number you find in parentheses after the location, is what you would need to find the book on the shelf. If you have trouble, always ask the librarian for help. Now let's look at Sort By. You'll notice the word Relevance with a drop-down arrow. This means the books are listed in order of how much your keywords match up with the titles. Notice that the first book listed was published in 1996. To see the most recent books, change this to Date, Newest. Now we have the results listed with the newest books first. Click Location to see the campus breakdown of where the books are being held. Let's remove the Held by Library folder. Let's look at Format now. Here you will see all the different types of materials available to you in Primo and how many of each type. Let's limit it to articles. And let's also limit to full text online again. Articles are often very specific, as you'll see by taking a look at our results page. Let's add another keyword to narrow our search. But first, we need to remember all filters. We now have 59 full-text articles about early childhood curriculum and autism. Lastly, let's look at creation date. This is where you can set a publication range for your results. For example, if you only want results that are 2015 or more recent, you can change to the From date and click Refine just to the right of the creation date search. Some articles may be too specialized for your needs. Look through your results to find an appropriate article. To look at the full text, click the article. For information about requesting a book or looking at your account, please see our video titled Managing Your Account.